Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop. Today, let's talk about rowing 3 and 4. The second half of both of them is a circle out to the side and all the way down to the ground. However, I get the opportunity to teach a lot of teachers from all over the world of all different styles, and it seems that some of that circle is missed. Now, whichever version we're doing of rowing 3 from the chest or rowing 4. It's whatever you're doing in the front of the exercise is the front of the exercise, the first half. Then we come up to the ceiling and you circle out shoulder height and then all the way down. Listen to that. I hit the frame with my handles. Ah, yes, I'd love to hear that. The count of 4 is always up to the ceiling. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have 2 more counts. 5 is shoulder height, 6 is all the way down to the side. Not a 5 sort of bend, I'm afraid to hit the side of the apparatus. Hit the side of the reformer. Yeah, it's okay, it's not gonna cry. It's meant to do that. Oh, might you dent it? You might, but big whoop. That's part of the exercise. That's what we do. It's not a big deal. Oh, mine's not dented. I've been doing it for years. All right. So from the chest, punch out 1, lower 2, lift up 3, ceiling 4. Here it comes. Circle 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Then from the hips, round over, reach out on 1, roll up 2, 3, ceiling 4. Here comes the circle. 5, 6, round and reach. Roll all the way up. 5, 6, a full circle. You might hit the side of the reformer. You're not going to get hurt. The reformer is not going to get hurt. Do the whole exercise. Now with that, we do that a lot in Pilates, that we reach our arms in front of us and then out to the side and down. It's circling your arms in 2 planes. We're in the sagittal plane, then the coronal plane. And that's all from the chest and from the hips is. From the chest, sagittal plane, and then coronal plane. And from the hips, sagittal plane, and then coronal plane. Finish the circle. You know what? Often we finish a workout, we do some standing exercises, and then inhale, lift your arms in front of you, look straight ahead, grow tall. Exhale, circle out and down. And boom, there it is right there at the last part of each of rowing 3 and 4. So we get up 4, circle out, shoulder height is 5, down to the side is 6. Now, don't hurt yourself. Don't smash any fingers and hurt yourself for the sake of the exercise. But go all the way down and hit the side of the reformer a little. Finish the circle. Again, no injuries. Do the whole circle. Consider, what are you concerned about, or what were the teachers who taught you concerned about, and that we're eliminating the whole, a whole important part of the exercise. So, grab your handles, do your exercise, finish 5 shoulder height, 6 down to the ground, and finish the exercise. And let me know how it goes for you.